So GoPro just recently released their Hero11 camera. In this video, I wanted to talk about whether it's worth upgrading from, say, Hero 9, Hero 10, or even one of the earlier models. So I still have the Hero 9 from GoPro. I never upgraded and got a Hero 10, I didn't really see the point. But now the Hero 11's come out, I've looked at some of the spec, looked at some of the details, and I'm still kind of like on the fence, as I know a lot of people are, like, should they upgrade? Maybe they've only just got a Hero 9 camera or a Hero 10. Is it actually worth the jump? Just by looking at the cameras to start with, they look very much the same, and the only thing that looks different is the fact that it says 11 black and not 10 on the side of it. Hopefully there's some more upgrades inside of the camera that will make it worth buying this new camera, other than just a bit of blue writing on the side of it. So let's look at the design, the software, and the battery. So there's no change in the weight of the camera. Both Hero 11 and the Hero 10 weigh 153 grams. They're both waterproof, up to 10 meters or 33 feet, that hasn't changed at all. They both have a removable scratch resistant lens, which is exactly why I never bought the Hero 8, because it doesn't have that, and I think that's a massive, massive positive over, say, a camera like this Insta360 camera, which it doesn't have a replaceable lens cover. So obviously if you damage the camera, you can just replace the lens on a GoPro. With an Insta360, say, you'd have to replace the whole camera, and I don't want to be doing that. Batteries, the Hero 11 actually comes standard with a better battery, you could argue. It comes with the Enduro battery, and the Hero 10 comes with a standard battery, whereas previous to the 11, you could buy an Enduro battery as like an upgrade, but now it comes as standard. It's a funny old battery because it's exactly the same size as what you'd get in a Hero 10 or Hero 9, but it uses like a different chemistry inside the battery, which helps it in colder weather. So say if you are skiing or snowboarding, or even underwater, you could say, that could put the camera under some cold temperatures, and GoPro say that the Enduro battery will help the camera in those conditions. Both cameras still have fold-out mounting tabs, which I'm kind of a fan of, and the screen on the back. One thing the Hero 11 does have, and I think maybe the Hero 10 has as well, is this hydrophonic lens cover. The water will actually run off the lens a lot faster, whereas in previous lenses it would like stick on the camera and you'd be left with like watermarks on your videos or your photos, which is like less than ideal. So another big change for the Hero 11 is how the menu system works. GoPro actually shipped the camera to the customer in a mode that they call easy mode. And easy mode is supposed to be designed for new people to these cameras, because I can side with some people who buy these cameras and they're not as easy as you think they are to set up. And it looks like in easy mode you can literally switch between telling GoPro whether you want the highest quality footage or you want to conserve the most battery life. You just pick and choose between the two and GoPro will do all the rest. Let's talk about the photos and the video capture mode. So both film in 5.3K, 60 frames a second, they both film at 4K at 120 frames a second, and they both film at 2.7K at 240 frames a second. So there's no change there. The Hero 11 comes with a new hyperview lens and the new superview mode, which is up to 5.3K at 30 frames a second. So that's slightly bigger than the Hero 10, they say. So it's basically giving you like a wider field of view, which could be great for things like mountain biking, any kind of outdoor sport and activity really, where you like want to show where you are. Camera quality or photo quality, bit of an improvement. Hero 10 was 23 megapixels and now the 11 goes up to 27 megapixels. One big change I am actually quite excited for about the camera, or one of the reasons I probably would buy Hero 11, is their new aspect ratio. In previous models of the GoPro, you could film in 9:16, so that'd be perfect for a YouTube video like this. You could film in 16:9, which would be a vertical video for TikTok or Instagram. In the Hero 11, you can actually shoot in 8:7, which sounds really, really strange. But what that's doing is that's kind of trying to give you the best of both worlds. So you can shoot one video and then you can crop for social media, for TikTok, for Instagram, or you can use it for landscape videos like a YouTube video without having to shoot the same video twice. The Hero 11 as well is capable of filming in 10-bit color. If you're looking to take your filmmaking or photos and stuff to the next level and you want to customize things like in Final Cut or Adobe Premiere, the color grading is supposed to be a lot better as well because of the depth in what the sensor is able to achieve. The stabilization on the Hero 11, so you've got Hypersmooth 5.0 with Auto Boost. Hero 10, you obviously have the Hypersmooth 4.0. Hero 11 has full horizon lock at up to 5.3K, and the Hero 10 has horizon level tilt, which limits at 45 degrees. It's kind of like slight increases just by like reading and reeling off these specs. I don't personally think you would tell that much difference between the Hypersmooth 4.0 and the Hypersmooth 5.0 and the new GoPro 11. You might be able to see the differences in GoPro's like promotional videos and stuff, because obviously they want to make it so it looks better. Personally, for like 99% of people, myself included, I think it'd be quite hard to see the difference between a Hero 10 and a Hero 11 in terms of stabilization. Even the Hero 9 has unreal stabilization, so I can't really see how it can get much better. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this whole new auto boost setting is an absolute game changer. I'm not sure. Would have to try the camera out. Auto boost activated, the GoPro will automatically and smoothly zoom into the footage when it detects severe shaking to add more stabilization. So basically what the camera will do is, say for example if I have my GoPro Hero 11 on a chest and I'm going down a hill on a bike, GoPro will detect that really severe movement and it will automatically crop into the camera, make the frame a little bit smaller to get rid of that shaky movement, so you've still got super stabilized footage. I don't know if you can hear that, but my dog is lay down there chewing the most loudest chew toy. What are you doing, dog? Oi! 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 Do you want to be in the YouTube video? Dogs always should go in YouTube videos. So another thing that the 8x7 lens can do, it can do full horizon locking. If you wanted the camera to only film, you didn't want it to rotate or anything like that, you could literally set the horizon lock on and you could literally turn the camera a full 360 degrees and it would still just film like this. Oi! Stop chewing so loud. I'm making a YouTube video. Let's talk about price. That's probably going to be something on people's minds. Like, should they fork out another few $100s on a brand new camera, and is it actually worth it? Hero 11 is $500 or $399 with the GoPro subscription, and the Hero 10 is $450 or $350 with the subscription. They've obviously made it a no-brainer for you to upgrade to an 11, which is obviously, from a business standpoint, that's what you should do. It also makes sense as well getting the GoPro subscription. I mean, why wouldn't you pay an extra $5 or $10 a month to save yourself $100? And you can obviously cancel the subscription at any time, so you could literally pay $10, get 50% off a load of GoPro accessories, and get your camera at a discounted rate, and then cancel your subscription if you wanted to. I actually am a really loyal subscriber to GoPro's subscription plan because I think it's amazing. I love the cloud storage. I love the fact that you can get a big discount off the accessories. So yeah, but you can actually do that. And it obviously makes sense to get the GoPro subscription if you're going to think about upgrading. So the final question is like, should you buy one? Or like, would I buy one? I hate these questions because it like literally comes down to like, well, it depends. It depends. It depends what you want to do. It depends what you want to shoot. Now for me, I may consider upgrading from a 9 to an 11. I'm not too sure I would upgrade from a 10 to 11. I think the changes are too micro, there's not enough of a jump to make it worth it for me. I'd rather invest my money into something else, or into like, it's another accessory, another camera. But say for example you had a GoPro Hero 7 or an 8, then 100% I would definitely recommend making the jump to Hero 11. Let me know in the comments below, guys, like, have you got a Hero 11? Like, would you recommend I go and get one like straight away? Or have you got any questions about upgrading that I didn't answer in this video? Pop them in the comments below. I'm always curious to know what you guys think. The minute I'm going to be sticking to my trusty Hero 9 because that seems to be serving me pretty well. But yeah, I hope this video was useful for you, and hopefully it made the buying decision a lot clearer for you. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video.